ready to turn discarded wood into a goldmine? Imagine crafting beautiful, rustic decor pieces from reclaimed wood. Not only are you creating stunning items, but you're also embracing sustainability and building a profitable business from the comfort of your home. This isn't just a hobby, it's a booming market, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to tap into it, focusing on one incredibly popular and beginner-friendly idea: unique wooden branch decor. Get ready to unlock your creativity and start earning. Let's dive into the fascinating world of wooden branch decor. This isn't just about picking up a stick, it's about seeing the hidden potential in every piece of fallen wood. Think sculptural centerpieces, charming wall hangings, or even minimalist jewelry organizers. The beauty lies in their organic forms, and each piece tells its own story. To get started, you'll need to source your branches responsibly. Look for fallen branches in local parks, with permission, of course, forests, or even after a storm. Focus on branches with interesting shapes, textures, and varying thicknesses. Once you have your raw material, the transformation begins. First, safety and preparation are key. Always wear gloves and eye protection. You'll want to clean your branches thoroughly. Remove any loose bark, dirt, or insects with a stiff brush and some mild soapy water. Let them dry completely, which can take several days depending on the humidity. Once dry, you can decide on your aesthetic. Some prefer the raw, natural look, while others might opt for a light sanding to smooth out rough edges or a clear sealant to enhance the wood grain and protect it. For a touch of elegance, consider adding a metallic accent to a few branches, like a dipped gold or copper end, or even wrapping smaller sections with twine or decorative wire. The possibilities are endless, limited only by your imagination. Now let's talk about turning these beautiful creations into profit. One fantastic idea is creating multi-branch displays for shelves or mantelpieces. You can assemble various lengths and thicknesses into an artistic cluster, perhaps even securing them to a simple, rustic base made from another piece of reclaimed wood. Another popular item is a hanging branch mobile. Imagine delicate air plants or small ornaments suspended from a beautifully curved branch. For a more functional approach, small, sturdy branches can be transformed into unique key holders or minimalist jewelry organizers by simply adding a few hooks. The key is to think about how these natural elements can serve a purpose in a modern home, bridging the gap between nature and interior design. You've crafted your masterpieces, now it's time to sell them. Marketing your reclaimed wood decor doesn't require a massive budget, it just needs smart strategy. High-quality photography is paramount. Take clear, well-lit photos of your pieces from multiple angles, showcasing their unique textures and how they might look in a home setting. Think about creating a small, styled vignette for your product shots. Utilize platforms like Etsy, Instagram, and local craft markets. On Instagram, use relevant hashtags like Reclaimed Wood Decor, Sustainable Decor, Woodcrafts Home Decor, and tag local interior design accounts. Collaborate with local boutiques or coffee shops to display your items. When it comes to pricing, consider a few factors. The cost of your materials, even if it's free wood, account for your time collecting and preparing it, your time spent crafting, and the perceived value of unique handmade sustainable items. Don't undersell yourself. Research similar items online to get a benchmark. Start with a moderate price, and as your brand grows and demand increases, you can adjust accordingly. Offer different price points for varying sizes and complexity. For example, a small, simple decorative branch might be $20, while a large, intricate wall hanging could be $80 or more. This isn't just about making a quick buck. It's about building a sustainable business that aligns with your values and creativity. The demand for eco-friendly, unique home decor is soaring, and you have the opportunity to fill that niche with stunning, one-of-a-kind pieces. Every branch you reclaim, every piece you transform, is not just decor. It's a statement about conscious living and the beauty of natural resources. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Create it. Start small, experiment with different ideas, learn as you go, and watch your passion for reclaimed wood flourish into a thriving business. Your journey into profitable, sustainable decor starts now. What beautiful creations will you bring to life? Optional if you want a subtle call to action before the final fade. If you found this guide inspiring, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more DIY business ideas, and let me know in the comments what reclaimed wood project you're excited to try next.